funny birds. Look at him. Only because I got food. Funny birds. Not supposed to have bread. It's bad for you. Yeah, that's bad for you. It's too much. Oh. Here's a funny bird. Whoa. I wonder what this bird wants. I think he wants more than bread. Ooh. Rainbow lorikeets. Gorgeous birds to look at. The one that's dancing is the male. I gather he wants more than the bread. Hey. I think this bird wants more than bread. Hey. I think this bird wants more than bread. Wayno? Have you seen him dancing? He's dancing. I think he wants more than bread. Yeah. I think he wants more than bread, I think.
He must be. Is he the male then?
Yeah, he is, yeah. You can tell by the colours.
You got more colours?
Yeah. You can see him right in on these. Uh oh, another one's coming. Hey.